In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Xero subscription. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or simply someone who has been experimenting with various accounting software, there comes a time when you might need to say goodbye to some services. Today we're navigating through the process of cancelling a Xero subscription, ensuring that you can do so confidently and without confusion. First things first, head over to the Xero website. The Xero platform is where all your accounting magic happens, but it's also where you'll need to go to kickstart the cancellation process. Upon reaching the website, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a login button eagerly waiting for your click. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to entering your personal Xero space. Once you've clicked on the login button, you're prompted to enter your credentials. Here you'll type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, accuracy is key. Ensure that you're entering the correct login details to avoid any unnecessary login hiccups. After ensuring your login details are correctly entered, hit the login button to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself at the heart of your Xero dashboard, a place familiar to many of you as the hub of your financial universe. Now take a moment to locate your profile photo. In most interfaces, the profile photo acts as a personal gateway to various account settings and options. In Xero, it's no different. Your profile photo is usually found towards the top of the page, offering access to a drop-down menu upon clicking. This brings us to our next step, where we start navigating towards the cancellation option. After clicking your profile photo, you'll see an option labelled Account. Click on this to proceed. The Account section is crucial because it houses various settings related to your personal and billing information. Within this treasure trove of options, you're searching for one in particular: Subscriptions. Upon finding and clicking the Subscriptions option, you're a step closer to your goal. Here you'll see a detailed view of your current subscriptions alongside various actions you can take. What we're interested in for the purpose of this tutorial is a little icon represented by 3 dots, typically found next to your subscription details. These 3 dots are more than just a design choice, they're your gateway to further actions. Click on these dots and you'll see an option pop up that reads Cancel Subscription. It's important to pause here for a moment. Clicking this option means you're heading towards cancelling a service that might have been a significant part of your financial tracking. Ensure that this is the step you want to take. Assuming you've made your decision, go ahead and click on Cancel Subscription. This action will not immediately cancel your subscription, as Xero, much like any service you've shared a journey with, wishes to understand your reasons for leaving. It's part of ensuring that their service can be improved for others in the future. Following through, you'll be guided to a confirmation page. Here, Xero will likely recap what cancelling means for your account, ensuring you're fully informed before you make your final decision. This is your last checkpoint. If your decision remains, pressing Confirm Cancellation will finalise the process. Cancellation of a service is never the highlight of anyone's day, neither for you nor the service provider. Yet, it's part of the dynamic world we navigate, especially within digital services. After confirming your cancellation, Xero will process your request. Keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or messages from Xero to ensure that everything is settled from their end. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of cancelling your Xero subscription. Remember, taking a moment to reflect on your reasons for cancelling and considering the implications is always a good practice. Whether you're moving to a different service, downsizing your business operations, or simply taking a break, knowing how to confidently navigate these changes is crucial. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. Managing software subscriptions is an integral part of digitally navigating your business or personal finances. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring more of our content for additional insights and guidance. Safe travels on your financial journey.